Now second technique comes quadrant system. Please make a box like this in your register wherever you are maintaining all these lists, your daily list. So you should make a after writing the task on a sheet of paper, make a box like this. Okay, and here you write work, and here you write urgent, not urgent, important, not important. Now some work are there which are urgent also and which are important also, like your exam, like your project work which you have to give at a particular time, है ना? So you cannot delay them. Secondly, for exams you have to prepare for them. They are urgent also and they are important also. And some tasks are there which are important but not urgent, like making notes, doing exercise. You can do exercise. Exercise is important, but you can do afterwards also. Like you have planned that I will do exercise in morning, but you started studying, so you can do exercise in the evening, okay, or before sleeping. Similarly, you can make the notes afterwards. Similarly, now some tasks are there which are urgent but not so important, like coming off a phone call you have to receive is urgent but it's not important. Like going to market, they are urgent. Mummy says please bring some potatoes from the market, but it's not important, children. So some tasks are there. Or paying the bill, electricity bill or something, it is urgent but not that important that you have to do right now only, okay. Then second is not urgent and not important. That is your games, movies, WhatsApp, Facebook. These are your shallow work. They don't take you anywhere, okay. You are zero from starting them till then you finish them. You are zero only in this. They will give you no value. They will increase no value of yours, these WhatsApp and Facebook. So this is not even urgent, not even important. So you can divide the tasks like this. Like in this list, you can make a quadrant over here and divide the task. Now prayer, yoga and your exercise. Exercise will come in your this column. Not urgent and but important. Then comes your study. This is your urgent also and important also. Then movie and WhatsApp will come in this column. Not urgent, not important. So like this you are going to divide your task in this quadrant system. And then third technique comes time blocking technique. Keep specific time slot for different tasks. Means divide your day in different time blocks, and in every time block you have to complete a specific task. I have just made to show you. It is an example. You can make your own. Like between 5 to 6 you will wake up and do your prayer and get ready for the day. Then 6 to 8 study some difficult subject or a new topic of a subject. Then 8 to 9 have your breakfast, and then 9 to 12 again you should study. Then 12 to 3 rest and do lunch, and then 3 to 4 again you start with your evening tea and exercise. And like this you keep on doing your task. And lastly, write your gratitude journal and revise whatever you have studied in the day, during the day. Okay, this is just for an example. Everyone has to make their own. So, and also children, it's not like that you have to be very specific. I have written 5 to 6, so I have to do this only. By chance if you you get up late, then it's okay. You should be flexible in your timings. It does not matter ki ab to I cannot do this work, I have this thing, I got up late. So don't panic. If you have written the timings, don't panic, go easily, okay. It's okay by chance if you wake up late, or by chance your mama has not prepared the breakfast, she says I will give you later on, or something happens, some people come, so it should be flexible, okay. In this you should keep 1 hour or 2 hours your free hours or your adjustment time, so that if some things, for example you have kept this for study and some guests come to your house and this period goes on in attending them, so you can shift this task in that adjustment time or your free time, okay. So keep 1 hour or 2 hour for adjustment of any task, okay class.